I will introduce you to an online photo gallery that we have produced in the Strength2Food Work Package 8. As part of Work Package 8 on consumer analysis, we conducted ethnographic fieldwork where the aim was to understand the use, perceptions, and knowledge of food quality schemes, including European, national, and regional food quality labels. We did this in households, and we were interested also in seeing how these relate to everyday food practices. We aimed at doing research with the households through observation and participation in the household's everyday life. By being there, experiencing and doing together, we focused on what people were doing. We visited 6 households per country. 7 countries were included: France, Germany, Hungary, Italy, Norway, Serbia, and the United Kingdom. 2 researchers visited and met the families in 3 different seasons, in 2017 to 2018. As part of the fieldwork, we did semi-structured interviews. At the first visit, we also brought with us a basket of food products with different labels, both EU and national, GIs and organic, and also some food from a short food supply chain without the label. This was meant to be an icebreaker and to stimulate discussion. The fieldwork was documented by video filming. We filmed household shopping, cooking, eating, cleaning, and also a kitchen tour. And researchers also took photos and notes. The households also documented. They were asked to document some themselves using tablets or mobiles. They were giving some different themes and for taking these photos or notes or film. If you're interested and wish to know more about the fieldwork, there will be a session on this later today. Before we will look at the photos, I will say a few words about the photo gallery, which is available on the Strength2Food webpage. The online photo gallery showcases 40 European households' practices around food consumption and quality labels, based on the ethnographic fieldwork conducted in 7 countries that I described. Photographs have been taken by both household members and researchers, and we have selected photos of everyday practices regarding food. This includes the whole process from planning through shopping, cooking, and eating to finally disposal and food waste. And also photos of EU, national, and other food quality labels. We decided to use this creative aesthetic gallery format because pictures can often say more than words, and we wish to communicate our research to a wider audience. Now I wish to share with you the photo gallery, so I will take you to the Strength2Food website. Welcome to the photo gallery. You find it by selecting the resources page on the main menu. Then you can here scroll down and you find the ethnographic fieldwork gallery. As you see, you first get a short introduction about the gallery and the photo, and then you get the photos later down here. And when you place the marker on a photo, you get a short description or presentation of what the photo is about. And you can click on the photo to get it to be larger. Now we have all the 222 photos displayed in a random order, but we have 2 levels for selecting photos, one based on country and one based on a theme. The themes are planning, shopping, storing, cooking, eating, disposal, EU food label, national food label, other food label, and short food supply chain. If you are interested in a specific country, you select that. For example, these are all the photos from Serbia. And if you only want to see photos of labels in Serbian households, you can choose that by clicking on EU food label. Then you get the EU food labels, which are these here. And then on national food label, you get these. And then other food label, you get these photos. You may have noticed that one photo can be in several themes, and that is if for example, here they would have both an EU and a national label. And then one more example. If you wish to see photos on short food supply chain, you can choose that. And here you have the ones from Serbia. And then you can choose to look at also other countries, like, for example, United Kingdom or Norway or Italy or all countries. Welcome to come and explore this more, and by clicking on to finding the gallery at the website.